Jaewoo is an Indian company manufacturing high-quality Indian CNC and VMC machines at its facility in Ludhiana, Punjab. Jaewoo offers wide range of machines and is spread across 3 lakh square feet. Some highlights of Art 350S Plus machines are Rexroth ball screw, THK LM guideways, Fanuc and Siemens controller, hydraulic chucks from Kitagawa and Airtech, hydraulic tailstock, between center length 350 mm, A26 cartridge type spindle, accuracy between 7 to 10 microns, Pragati BTP 80 turret. There are many USP of Jaewoo like delivery within 7 to 10 days, skilled service team, honest work culture, pan-India presence. For more information, connect our team on 97164 52415.